Hello, good morning, students. Today we will start new chapter 14 Factorize Factors. Here we know that two types of factor are there, prime factor and composite factor. Okay, suppose you are speaking 4 and 3, then 3 is prime but 4 is not prime because we can write 2 to the 4. Same thing, 3 is prime but 9 is not prime. In place of 9, we can write 3 3 is 9. So here we have find common factors. Common factors means in given expression, all the expression common whatever number variable that is common factor and it must be in all the expression. Okay, to find common factors, first we have write prime factorization, then we can underline the numbers, and last we can write answer, that is common factors. Now exercise 14.1, question 1, find the common factors. There are 8 example. Okay, we are going to solve one by one. 12x and 36. So 12x, somebody speaks 6 to the 12, 4 3 the 12, all are right, but we have to write prime number. So 12x equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, 2 to the 4 3 the 12 multiply x. Now 36, if you speak factors of 36, 12 3 are 36, 9 4 are 36, 6 6 are 36, all are right, but we have write only prime factors. That means 2 2 are 4, 3 are 12, 3 are 36, 3 3 2 2 all are prime. Now underline 2 and 2, that is common factor 2. Again 2 and 2, that is common factor 2. 3 and 3, common factor 3. Now remaining 3 is not more than common in first, so we cannot consider now more 3. So the common factors 2, 2 and 3. So write down answer, 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12. This is answer. Now second, 2y and 22xy. So 2y, we can write 2 multiply y. 22xy means 2 multiply 11 multiply x multiply y. Now underline the common, 2 and 2, y and y. This is the common. X is not common in both, so we cannot write x. So the common factors are 2 and y. So write down the answer, 2 multiply y equal to 2y. So 2y is the common factor, answer of the question. Now third, 14pq and 28p square q square. So 14pq, we can write 2 7 ja 14. 2 is the prime, 7 is the prime. P multiply q. Now 28. Here is the problem. 7 4 the 28, 14 2 the 28. Okay, but we have write only common. We have write only prime factors. 2 multiply 2, 4 multiply 7, 28. P square means p 2 times. P multiply p. Q square means q multiply q. So common factors now. Underline. Okay, 2 and 2, 7 and 7, P and P, Q and Q. Okay, so answer we will write 2 multiply 7 multiply P multiply Q. 2 7 ja 14, PQ is the common factor. Now 4, 2x, 2 multiply x, 3x square, 3 multiply x multiply x, and 4, 2 multiply 2, Now underline the common. 2 is in first and last but not in second. 3 is in second but not first in last. X is the first and second but not in, so it means there is no common factor in all the 3. So only if there is no common factor, then we can write only 1, because 1 is common in all the term, in prime also and composite also. Suppose 3 and 2, so there is no common, but 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2, so 1 is the common. So 1 is the common in all factors, so we can write 1. Now 5, 6 ABC, we can write 2 multiply 3 multiply A multiply B multiply C. Now in place of 24, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24. So 2, 2, 2 and 3. This is the prime number. A multiply A multiply B square. So we can write B multiply B. 12 A square B. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. A square A multiply B. Now underline the common factors in all 3. 2, 2 and 2, that is 2. 3, 3 and 3, that is 3. A and A, that is A. B and B, that is B. Okay. So answer we can write 2 multiply 3 multiply A multiply B, that is 2 3 is 6 AB. Okay. Now 6 number. 16x cube, we can write 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 2 is 16. X cube, we can write x multiply x minus 4x square. So minus we can write 4, in place of 4 we can write 2 multiply 2, and x square we can write x multiply x. 32x, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. We have write in this way. All the 2 are prime. Okay, multiply x. 32x we can write multiply x. Now underline common factors 2, 2 and 2. Again 2, 2 and 2. But now not possible to. Okay. In last only one x. So we can write x, x and x. So multiply it. 2 multiply 2 multiply x, that is 4x. 2 2s are 4. X is the common factor. Now 7 number. 10 PQ. 2 multiply 5 multiply P multiply Q. 20 QR. 2 multiply 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Q multiply R. 30 RP. 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply R multiply P. So do the underline. 2, 2 and 2, that is 2 common factor. Now see, 5 is in first second but not in 5 also, 5 and 5. Okay. Now see, P is first in last but not in second. Q is first and second but not in last, so we cannot write. 2 and 5 is the answer. So answer 2 multiply 5 equal to 10. 10 is the common factor. Now last 8 number. 3x square y cube. So we can write 3 multiply 2 times x multiply 3 times y. Okay. 10x cube y square. So we can write 2 multiply 5 multiply 3 times x multiply 2 times y. And 6x square y square z. So we can write 2 multiply 3 multiply xx multiply yy multiply z. Now do common. Okay. 2 and 2 in last and second but not in first. Okay. So 2 times x is common in all the 3. Xx, xx, xxx. So and same thing y is common in all the 3. So answer will be x multiply y multiply y, that is x square y square. Okay. In this way we can completed question 1 today. So write down question 1 in your notebook from the PDF or from the video. Okay.